understanding business platforms is critical to your success. Why? Because when you do, you have time to spend on the most important aspects of your business. And the best way to understand is to watch the steps in video form. But typically, this happens so that there's lots of visiting by the creator and extra fluff other than the subject you really want to learn. Well, we've taken care of that for you with a step-by-step over-the-shoulder video course on how to get started with MailChimp. So in about 1 hour, we're going to have you ready to use the platform without lots of wasted time and extras, keeping you from the most important task you already have. Here's what will be covered: setting up your account, setting up a broadcast and a follow-up, setting up your integrations and setting up your website, and integrating your social media, and all in 60 minutes time. Everything needed to get started using the MailChimp platform without the fluff. Now to get started is simple. Hit the Buy Now button. And in a little over 1 hour, you'll be building your email list. So get started today. Hit the Buy Now button.